Have you ever wondered how much a website should cost? This question is more complex than it might seem at first, as the cost of a website can vary greatly depending on multiple factors. One of the first expenses to consider is domain registration. This is essentially your website's address on the internet, and it usually costs between $10 to $20 per year. It's a small price to pay for a piece of digital real estate that's all your own. Next up is web hosting. This is the service that keeps your website accessible to users around the clock. Shared hosting plans are the cheapest, starting at around $3 to $10 per month, but they offer limited resources. For more power, you might consider a virtual private server or VPS hosting, which can range from $20 to $60 per month. Or for the most robust option, there are dedicated servers, which can cost anywhere from $100 to over $500 per month. But what if you're not a tech wizard? Not to worry. Many people opt for website builders like Wix or managed WordPress hosting. These services cost anywhere from $10 to $100 per month and offer a more user-friendly experience. If you're planning to sell products or services directly from your website, you'll also need to factor in the cost of an e-commerce platform. Services like Shopify can cost anywhere from $29 to $299 per month. On the other hand, WooCommerce is a free plugin, but you'll need to cover the cost of hosting. Now, let's talk about design. A professional web design can run from $1,000 to $5,000 for basic sites, $5,000 to $15,000 for small to medium businesses, and a whopping $15,000 to $50,000 or more for major sites. You might be thinking, why not just do it myself? And sure, there are cheaper DIY options out there, but consider this: hiring a professional agency ensures expertise in design, development, SEO, conversions, and scalability. While it might be pricier upfront, it helps avoid costly mistakes, saves time, boosts visibility and traffic, and creates optimized, future-proof websites. A professional site enhances brand perception, improves user experience, increases conversions, boosts search rankings, and prepares your business for growth. It's not just about having a website, it's about having a website that works for you. In conclusion, a website is a critical investment for any business. It's crucial to carefully weigh your objectives, budget, and needs to make the best decision. While cheaper DIY options exist, professional services ensure best practices and long-term return on investment aligned with your business goals. So, the next time you ask yourself, how much should a website cost? Remember that it's not just about cost, but value.